Hi, I'm Sam Collins with Couple Technology, and today I want to share one of the tips that will help you not only make sure that your Power App is cohesive and everything is formatted the same, but also help you update it in the future. So we're going to add a little bit of work in the beginning, and that is going to help us later on with whatever we need to change on it, depending on what you need to change. So the examples I'm going to show today are with just color and font weight. And so I just want to show you how you can copy one field onto others. So without waiting any longer, let's go ahead and jump right into Power Apps. Here you can see that we have a form, and this is the beautiful Microsoft blue that it comes with, which is just stunning. What I want to do is right now I want to change all of these to be a different color. I don't know what color they're going to be in the future, but right now I know that they can't be this blue. So we're going to change the color a little bit differently than you might be doing today. So when I first got into Power Apps and I wanted to update colors, I would click on each one and then come down here and click this beautiful button and change my colors. And it worked great until I needed to make a change later on. And then I had to go in and do each one individually. So to make sure that you don't have to do that, we don't have to do it on each one. And we're going to copy some of the properties. This is what I'm going to have for mine as like my parent. So this is going to be the controller label. Even though it says title, you can tell it's a label if you come down here and look at the icon type. So this is the name of it, and we are going to copy it. And over here on team, these are all going to be the children of the parent title. So we're going to come into color, which is perfect. We're going to delete everything that's in there. We're going to put in the name of our parent dot color. As you can see, it will start to populate. And right now, we don't have any change. I know that this is going to be my parent or kind of the leader for all of these. So I'm going to copy this entire thing and do the same to all of these. I'm going to go in and click color and replace it. And you're going to see why, even though this takes a few more steps than just updating the color, you're going to see why this will save you a ton of time in the future if you work a lot in Power Apps. Or maybe you want to deploy it to different teams, different departments. You know, maybe you want to make it festive for whatever holiday season, whatever floats your boat. So now, all four of these are looking at title for their color. So as soon as we make a change to the color here, it is going to update all of them. Isn't that awesome? If you are trying to, hand this off to a team lead or something, and they're like, well, we just don't like whatever colors you have, or we don't like the font weight. So that was the other thing I said I was going to show. So let's come over here and we're going to say font weight, and you can easily see, we don't want color, we want font weight. You can easily see how the ones will be updated. So we've got font weight, we're going to take it to bold, so then just these two are. Right. Nice and easy. So then you can make any changes that you need to, corresponding with whatever properties that you want to copy. Not all of them can be copied, but most of them, to be quite honest with you. So it's actually very nice, and it will go between screens. So if you wanted to have one kind of parent label, or you can do it off of anything, right? So you can do it off of this input card. And if you want to make this your parent and have the rest of everything kind of follow this, you can do that too. All you need to do is grab its name. So I hope that helps you with your next project in creating it. I know it'll take a little bit more time, but hopefully in updating it, it's going to be a lot faster. Thanks so much. Have a great day.